Hi, everybody. It's David with Rocky Mountain Estate Brokers Whitley Auction. We're down here in Pueblo, Colorado with assets formerly from the water company. Look at this 2002 Mitsubishi Fuso flatbed truck, lift gate. It has got low miles. It has been parked inside. It is a clean, pre-def truck. We've got all kinds of goodies we're selling down here at online auction. Go to whitleyauction.com to bid right now. You can see the forklift. That's an oldie but a goodie. It leaks like they all do. Clark forklift. There is a high-end time saver sander with the big attached dust collector. If you've got some little thing you want to sand, this will sand it for you. All controls on there, seems to be super clean. This was an R&D company. They were in the business of making water filtration stuff. There's a spectrometer, huge, expensive piece of lab equipment, which I really don't know much about, but it appears to have the software. It appears to work, and that's why we have previews. So check it out on the website. Come to the previews. All of this is an online auction. There's a drill press milling machine combo right there that's nice and clean, with just lots and lots of goodies down here. A complete lab. There's a fume hood. You can see the autoclave over there. I guess it's in the next one there. Nice autoclave, big stainless steel sink. We've got lots of lab equipment, glassware. There are chemicals. We've got, I think, 4 of those heavy duty steel, just beautiful work tables. There are lots of heavy duty workbenches. There's another expensive piece of lab equipment. Lots of automation equipment. There's like a brand new crane for your forklift, a lifting beam, lots and lots of this automation equipment. We've got breakers, we've got controls, there's vacuum valves, there's power supplies, regulators, breakers, switches, and a lot of this is from their spare parts room where they would, this was a research and development company, and so they would spend as much money as they wanted to trying to find stuff out and build processes, one-off processes here to see what would work. So there's lots of spare parts, lots of supplies. There's about 20 offices in the place that has nice office furniture. In fact, there's a cubicle right there. There are just lots and lots of goodies down here. We started the video off with that truck. It is super clean. This video does not show everything that's in the auction, but there is lots and lots of merchandise down here. There are some large lots for you resellers that are looking to sell these. There's a lot right there. Really expensive items that cost a lot when you buy them one at a time. Those are some high-end lifting devices that were attached to some of this. I don't think we've got pictures in here of them, but there are large fiberglass mixing, they call them domes, that they were mixing things in. We've probably got 40 different sizes of poly water tanks, all the way from 500 gallons down to like 40. Lots and lots of expensive plastic that they were prototyping stuff with, lots of tubing. There's a whole table full of all thread. I don't know if that made it in here. There's a material rack, another really nice workbench with parts bins, lots of these plastic valves. They handled water here, water and other liquids, but mainly water. They were working with frac water. Nice warehouse ladder. There's a pile of aluminum sheeting, more of the heavy expensive plastic. There's a lot. That's several gaylords full of smaller pieces of the plastic. There is some material handling equipment, shop equipment, like I said, lab equipment, expensive fasteners. They probably had it was probably about a 1,500 square foot spare parts room that just had lots and lots of stuff in it. There's quite a bit of nice shelving down here. Once again, this is an online auction. It closes on Wednesday, December the 2nd, 2020 at 1:10 p.m. in the afternoon. We'll have preview here the day before on Tuesday, but it's an online auction. The merchandise, all this is located in Pueblo, Colorado, a short drive from Denver or a short drive from anywhere. Pueblo, Colorado. The auction closes on Wednesday, December the 2nd at 1:10 p.m. You can go to our website at whitleyauction.com to bid and see all of this fine merchandise. Just something for the mad scientist in you. And if you're in this business, there is lots of good quality merchandise that you can put to work and probably will save a lot of money on. Like I said, we've got tried to alternate the pictures going through here, but everything from lab stuff, there's some safety equipment, we've got janitorial stuff, There are Gaylords full of powdered carbon. And I don't think we took a picture of those Gaylords because it's hard to see what's in there, but we've got powdered carbon, large rolling racks, steel racks, just tons and tons of stuff in this building. I think this is probably about a 35,000 square foot facility, and everything that's left in here from the water company selling at online auction. And yes, there's some nice office furniture, nice office chairs too. Lots and lots of goodies. It's all going to be online, so you can see photos and you can bid online. The auction starts to close at 1:10 p.m. That's 1:10 p.m. in the afternoon on Wednesday, December the 2nd, 2020, the lovely year of 2020. So the auction starts to close Wednesday, December the 2nd. You go to whitleyauction.com to bid right now, and you can check it all out at whitleyauction.com. If you're into this kind of stuff, there's going to be a lot of good deals. There's also two pulverizers, they're not pug mills, but pulverizers, big grinders for grinding stuff up. Maybe if you're into grinding ore or anything. But once again, go to whitleyauction.com, whitleyauction.com to bid right now, and thank you.